In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on InstaForex. Now, the first thing you can do here inside your client area, inside your dashboard, you can go to your trading account tab over here, which should be the third tab over here on the left, and then you want to click on trading, and this is actually where you can go ahead and start trading inside InstaForex. So it's going to open up their trader here, there we go, and this is where you can basically select your symbol over here, so you can do whatever you want here for the list. You could select your volume over here, we're going to do 0.05 over here, and then if you want you can select a stop loss, a take profit as well if that's something you want to do, and then here you also can set the type of order. Okay, so it can either be a pending order or an instant execution, which is basically a market order, and then you want to just click on either buy or sell, and that's how you can trade right over here inside InstaForex dashboard. Okay, down here at the bottom you can also see you have the chart for the specific instrument you are trying to trade, and then here on the left you have different options to do some chart analysis, stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much the easiest way on how to trade. However, you could also trade using MetaTrader 5, for which I do have a separate video. You can watch that on how to connect InstaForex to MD5, or you could use the web terminal, and if you click web terminal over here, it's going to open up in a separate tab. And then in here, you can also go ahead and start trading. As you can see, you have the symbols, you can search for them, you can sell, you can buy, you can go ahead and do a bunch of different things in here as well. Okay, so those are the three options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.